Hi everyone, this is Farishte and you're watching me on Movie Talkies. Today we are here at Cinepolis to do the public review for Triple X Return of Xander Cage, which stars Vin Diesel and our very own Deepika Padukone. So without wasting any time, let's go and see what the public have to say. How was the movie?
It was not good. It did not live up to the expectations that I had.
It was good.
Horrible.
ठीक है, one time watch है.
I didn't like it movie. It hurts my expectations.
Movie was really amazing. I have not seen the first two parts, but this is really amazing. As Deepika, we have, it really gonna build up our movie.
The first and second part were more better than this. The action was more in the first and the second part.
It was a pretty great movie. Love the collaboration between Hollywood and Bollywood. Though was expecting more of Deepika, but didn't get that.
I really loved the movie. The action was really good. And even like a bit of romance in the movie between Vin Diesel and Deepika Padukone. It wasn't much, but it was really good. The movie was pretty great. I liked it. I liked the whole action and the chemistry between Deepika Padukone and Vin Diesel.
The movie was pretty great. Deepika Padukone looked really gorgeous, but the accent didn't suit her that well. And Vin Diesel looked very hot throughout the movie.
How was Vin Diesel's performance?
It was average. Donnie was better.
Vin Diesel is a fantastic actor and Deepika Padukone, she is a great actress.
Vin Diesel acting was good, but Deepika did not fit a good fit in the Hollywood movie.
Vin Diesel, Deepika Padukone इन लोग के acting तो ज़बरदस्त है.
Vin Diesel was amazing. Deepika quite didn't suit the role.
About the performance, most of the actors were really good, but I really loved Vin Diesel's performance because this was like one of his best performances compared to his other movies, which I really loved.
I did not see Deepika a good fit in the Hollywood movies. I think she should return to Bollywood.
I think Deepika Padukone did a very great job, and obviously Vin Diesel is just amazing. Deepika's performance was actually quite good because I didn't expect her to do so well in a Hollywood movie, but I really enjoyed it.
Okay, what do you have to say about her accent?
It was good. We could understand it. There was nothing wrong in that.
It was pretty Indian.
It was different to hear a non-American accent in a Hollywood movie. So yeah, I'm okay. I liked it, yeah.
Deepika's accent was really amazing.
But there's a bit Indian taste also in her accent.
I think she didn't really put an accent, so she was kind of herself, which I really liked. Unlike many actors, they put an accent and they kind of like cover their whole personality. But I think Deepika, she was being herself and she did what she did. Her accent was obviously like Indian accent, but it didn't match with the others' accent, but it was really good. She did a good job. एक्सेंट के बारे में अगर बोलूँ तो ऐसे तो हम लोग अगर चाहेंगे अमेरिकन एक्सेंट तो हम लोग जितना भी रोल कर लें तो अपना इंडियन स्टाइल ही रहेगा और ज़्यादा अगर करेंगे तो आर्टिफिशियल लगेगा. तो दीपिका पादुकोण अपने ही इंडियन स्टाइल में इंग्लिश बोली है और वहाँ का थोड़ा बहुत मिक्स की है, बट प्योरली इंडियन स्टाइल में बोली है तो नेचुरल लग रहा है.
अच्छा, दीपिका पादुकोण फिट हो रही है क्या उसके रोल में?
हाँ, मेरे हिसाब से 60% फिट हो रही है. पूरा 100% फिट नहीं हो रही है क्योंकि लुक वाइज है वैसा, बट हम लोग ऑलरेडी उन लोग को बॉलीवुड में एक्सेप्ट कर चुके हैं, तो हॉलीवुड में थोड़ा अलग टाइप का, जैसे नसीरुद्दीन शाह बॉलीवुड में भी किए थे एंड हॉलीवुड में एक डिफरेंट लेवल वो दिखाए थे, तो सब कोई नसीरुद्दीन शाह जैसे नहीं बन पाएंगे.
What do you have to say about the stunts in the movie?
Stunts was amazing, but I have not seen the first two parts.
As compared to the previous parts, the stunts were okay. As compared to the previous first and second part, the State of Union was the best one.
They were quite good, but some of them were like I did not find them feasible enough. They were like all over the place. So yeah.
The stunts were great. They were really well done, and yeah.
I think they were pretty great. I'm probably gonna go home and check how Vin Diesel did all that stuff. So it was pretty amazing.
Were you able to accept Deepika in a Hollywood movie?
Yeah, because mostly people who are going from Bollywood to Hollywood, they don't know English that well and all, but she's really good at it, and I think her performance was really good and she can still do other Hollywood movies.
What do you have to say about the story?
The story was okay. It was a basic action movie.
I think the story was pretty good, and there's definitely going to be another movie because all the previous movies were really good, and there should be another movie because I mean Triple X is just a movie that everyone likes, and Vin Diesel, and everybody's going to be like excited for the next one too. So
Movie story is not good actually. It seems like Suicide Squad actually. Who had seen, they know that.
It was a very confusing story with a lot of twists in the plots, but yeah, enjoyed it.
I didn't like the story. I watch a lot of movies, and compared to that, even the action, it was sort of useless. The comedy was useless, and also not a good movie. I won't recommend it to my friends.
How many stars would you give out of 5?
1.
3.
2.
3.5.
3.5.
4.
3.5. 2.
I guess 4.
4.5. I'd say 4 out of 5.
3.5.
So this was Triple X for you. If you've liked the review, give it a thumbs up. Share the video and comment your views about the movie. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Movie Talkies.